Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Instagram Reels not loading on PC or laptop. Now for instance, I have opened Instagram.com on my web browser, and if I go to the Reels section, which is here, if I click on it, as you can see, it is not loading. So this is if you're facing the exact same problem on your PC, then to fix that, what you have to do is first of all close your web browser, and after that hit the Windows key on your keyboard and type in adjust, and you will see adjust appearance and performance of Windows. Select that, and here in the visual effects section, what you have to do is simply select this option called animate controls and elements inside Windows. Select that option, click on apply, click on OK. Now I will launch my web browser once again. I will go to Instagram.com, and if I go to the Reels section, as you can see, the Reels are now loading. Fine, 100% fine on my PC. And that's simply how you can fix Instagram Reels not loading on your PC or your laptop. So if you found this video helpful, please hit the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe.